Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the early notification of my latest video. Hello and welcome back. In today's WordPress video, we will find out that how we can remove sidebar from front page, also known as home or sample page, in WordPress CMS platform. It's quite easy and you can do it without any coding. Sidebar can be on any side, either left or right. In this example, sidebar can be seen in sample and about us page, and also can be seen in post page. But here we want to remove sidebar in only sample page, also known as home or front page, so that the page will show the product gallery as per the shopping theme. Here you can see in this example. This is home page of a shopping site with only side menu and no sidebars. Therefore the product display looks good here as the sidebar is removed and the sidebar empty space is utilized. This has been done only for home page. After clicking on product link image, in the next page we can again see the sidebar. Similarly, sidebar is also visible in post page. Coming back to dashboard, here is how we do it. Here you can see the sample page, also known as front page. You can change the name to home page using quick edit for name change. Similarly, you can make changes in the quick edit in the template section, which is given as default template, which has to be changed to full width template, given here as a shopping cart template. Changing to shopping cart template and updating. After refreshing the page, you can see that sidebar is removed. Similarly, you can make changes in the edit link. Home page will open. Inside home page, you have to look for page attributes column. Here you can see default template is selected and there are different template choices that can be selected. Again, selecting shopping cart template, which is equal to full width template, will give the same result. In this other WordPress theme, we can select full width template and remove sidebar selectively. Similarly, you can make changes in other pages to remove the sidebar. Here in about us page, the default template has been changed. Similarly, you can also remove sidebar from the post pages if theme is providing option. So in this way you can make changes in the WordPress theme without any coding. If this option is not given, then you may have to do some coding or use a suitable plugin that I can show in next video. Hope you found this video helpful. Then do like, share and subscribe.